A very good evening, guys. Welcome to Trader New. This is your friend Aryan. As it is weekend and markets are closed, so I decided to discuss what happened in the previous week, and accordingly, we will create our biases for the coming days. This will be the first video of a group of 3 to 4 videos. I'm not sure how many videos it will take. So, in these videos, what I will do is I will cover all the Nifty 50 stocks, a brief analysis of each of the stocks, and try to complete with about 10 to 15 stocks in one video. We will try to wrap up in around 2 to 3 videos covering all the 50 stocks. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Let's move it to 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time, let me minimize it. Okay, now we are. So it has from. We are currently viewing data from 2025 onwards. So around we have uh, 9 months of data. Shall we zoom it? Yeah, we can zoom it a bit so that we can have at least 6 months of data. Since April, we are having data. So what we can see, this is Nifty 50, this is Nifty Bank, this is Nifty Auto, this is Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT, and Nifty FMCG. So what we can see is that for Nifty, okay, Nifty first was from July to August. It was trading in a downward parallel channel. Then this gap was formed. It made it went up to 25,000. From there, I guess it started tariff war and it came back to retest this low. Here it found support and then following a trend line, it is going up. And now it is at the same level from where it has found resistance. So that was Nifty 50. What about bank index? Bank index, we can see that though Nifty's channel is quite steep. That is not the case with Bank Nifty. It was not that steep. However, currently when it is see this region, in this region recently in September month, Nifty has rallied quite aggressively. However, we cannot see that that type of rally in banking index. So overall, we can say that Bank Nifty has underperformed main index. Now coming to auto index. See, auto index was flat all over from July onwards. While Bank Nifty was falling down, auto index was flat. And in September, this was, I guess there was some news. Yeah, for the news of GST reduction, this triggered auto index, and auto index had shot up aggressively. You can see the rally that occurred in auto index, that is quite huge. And for FMCG, we can say that yeah, FMCG is also bullish. But compared to auto index was heavily benefiting from this GST news, but that was not the case with FMCG. I guess that is the case, but not that much. So the rally in FMCG was not as excellent as auto. Coming back to IT was the dragger. It was the laggard. We can say it came down, and currently it is just hovering at the bottoms itself. And the case with pharma is that while all indices were coming down since July, this pharma was going up. Then I guess there were some triggers for tariff, and that brought all the gains, wiped out all the gains of pharma index, and now currently it is at 50% retracement of what it has lost. So that was the case of all the indices comparison. In short, we can say that in the last month, auto index has beaten major index by excessive amount, followed by FMCG, And about the laggards, we can say that Bank Nifty and Pharma was slightly laggard, and auto and IT index, though it was laggard, but it is now recovering from its lows. So that was all about the index. In weekly time frame, we can see that. Okay, let me check the timing. So for Nifty 50 index in on weekly chart, we can see that after Corona crash, see this circular one is Corona. This is the major drag that happened in the recent years. After Corona crash, we can see that during Corona crash it came up to 8,000. From there it rallied, almost doubled. Then again there was a slight rally till 2022. Now from there was then a correction, and then index consolidated in a parallel channel for about 2 years. At the end of 2023, and political good news, our index shot up, Nifty 50 shot up, and from 20,000 it made a high of 26,000. See, this traded inside a parallel channel, and after that high that was made in October 2025, after that there was a sharp correction. The correction brought index up to 22,000. From there we saw a recovery that took prices to near 26,000. From there we saw a small pullback, and then currently it is recovering that pullback. So that was all about weekly chart. Let me see if I can draw. The channels are already drawn. See this parallel channel, this parallel channel, this parallel channel. These channels are already drawn. So I guess I don't need to draw anything new on weekly chart. Coming to the daily chart, the parallel channel that we have drawn from, see, this is the October correction, since October correction. This correction was a downward parallel channel. From there it recovered in a upward parallel channel. From there it came down, and now we can see that here a small W pattern is being formed in daily chart. See here. So I guess if this is broken down, then we can expect prices to test a recent swing high, that is around 25,800 or 700 something. That is around 2% of 2% of rally if this is taken out. And coming to the hourly chart, we can see that currently I need to draw okay, let's draw a parallel channel. Why use the trend line? Parallel channel is good. So after this downward channel is being breached, now see this trend line is acting as a support on hourly time frame, and we can mark this as the resistance. These days Nifty 50 is trading below the middle parallel below the middle line of parallel channel. That is not a good indication of uptrend. However, since this is index, I can't say much about it. Let's see what happens in the near future. So let's cover the remaining stocks in the next video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.